If Photoshop is showing an error today, freezing on startup, or just refusing to open the way it should, don't worry. There are a few quick fixes you can try right now before wasting time on a full reinstall. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest step-by-step methods to get Photoshop working again, and if this helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes. The first thing to do is the simplest one. Restart Photoshop and try again. Close the app completely, make sure it is not still sitting in the background, and then reopen it. Sometimes a minor background sync issue, a locked local process, or a temporary glitch is all that is causing the error. A clean restart can flush that problem out immediately, and in many cases that is enough to fix it. If Photoshop still will not launch properly, the next step is to force close any hidden ghost processes. This is important because sometimes Photoshop crashes visually, but the process does not fully shut down. That means Windows or Mac still thinks Photoshop is running, which can block it from opening again. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Look for anything named Photoshop or Adobe, right-click each one and choose End Task. On Mac, press Command, Option, and Escape to open the Force Quit window, select Photoshop and click Force Quit. Once those background processes are fully closed, try launching Photoshop again. Now, if the error is happening right on the splash screen or during startup, the next best fix is to do a safe launch. This helps bypass bad fonts, third-party plugins, or something broken in the startup load. To do this, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then double-click the Photoshop icon while still holding Shift. Keep holding it until Photoshop prompts you with a message asking whether you want to skip loading optional and third-party plugins. Click Yes. This step is especially useful if Photoshop was working before, but suddenly started crashing or showing startup errors today. If that still does not solve it, the issue may be coming from a corrupted local settings cache. Photoshop stores preferences and configuration files that can sometimes get damaged over time, and when that happens, you may see strange interface bugs, tool problems, or repeated error messages. To rebuild those settings, first make sure Photoshop is fully closed. Then hold down Ctrl, Alt, and Shift on Windows or Command, Option, and Shift on Mac, and open Photoshop while still holding those keys. A pop-up should appear asking if you want to delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. Click Yes. This forces Photoshop to create a fresh settings file, which fixes a lot of random errors and startup issues. After that, let Photoshop reopen and give it a moment to rebuild everything. The first launch may take a little longer than usual, but that is completely normal. Once it starts properly, check whether the error is gone and whether your tools and panels are working the way they should. So to quickly recap, if you are dealing with a Photoshop error today, start by restarting the app, then kill any hidden background processes, then try a safe launch with Shift, and finally reset the local settings cache if needed. These 4 steps solve a huge number of common Photoshop problems without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more software tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.